When violent extremists operate in one stretch of mountains, people are endangered across an ocean. When violent extremists operate in one stretch of mountains, people are endangered across an ocean.
And I think that we also are around the coast of the Red Dog mine, and they have decided that they're going to have a discharge pipeline to our ocean where we highly rely on our food resources. So,
across an ocean in Africa, many people are still living amid poverty and violence and disease of the kind that Dikembe Mutombo, who's being honored here tonight, is attacking with the same ferocity with which he used to block shots in the NBA. The drill unit sank on Thursday. We immediately and intensely investigated by remotely operated vehicles the entire 5,000 feet of pipe that's on the floor of the ocean. That source being 5,000 feet under the ocean's surface, this has been extremely difficult.
And an ocean tumbled by with a private boat for Max, and he sailed off through the night and day.
He loved Hawaii, swimming in the ocean, playing basketball. Sounds like my kind of guy.
As I've seen in my own life and heard from troops all across this world, your family will be your rock, whether you're right next to them or across an ocean.
An ocean divides us, but we are joined in the basic human longing for freedom, for justice, and for dignity. It was the ideas of the Enlightenment, centered here in France, that helped inspire a band of colonists across the ocean to seek our freedom. It was together by and hosts. Across a vast ocean, it's impossible to know what lies beyond the horizon. I want my daughters to see the shackles that bound slaves on their voyage across the ocean and the shards of glass that flew from the 16th Street Baptist Church, and understand that injustice and evil exist.
It is also important that Japan and the United States cooperate to promote necessary rules-making in the areas of non-traditional threats such as terrorism, proliferation of weapons of mass destruction, and piracy, as well as human security and peacebuilding and development assistance, ocean, space, and cyberspace.
For contributions to the discovery and understanding of the dominant photosynthetic organisms in the ocean, promotion of the field of microbial oceanography, and influence on marine policy and management.
We are separated by an ocean and united by a commitment for freedom, to justice, by the ongoing struggle for peace.
And so as we go forward together with confidence, we will know that while our countries may be separated by a great ocean, in the realm of the spirit, we will always be neighbors and friends.